Tisoy, what are you doing?
Rocks.
You're just collecting rocks while Kuya is busy. Huh? What?
I want to see your rocks. I love rocks. Oh no. I want this. Join us on MarVerz videos. Oh my god, I can't even cut it. I can't even see it. It's too... Look at it! Way too large!
What are you doing, Kuya?
I am digging these weeds.
Then what are you going to plant?
We're gonna plant tulips.
Okay.
Peanuts. Ladybugs. Oh, eat good. Let's eat good. This is open. There. Oh.
So usually ang tulips pala, tinatanim siya during fall. Kaya pala kahit anong hanap ko dun sa store during springtime, wala silang nakadisplay ng mga tulips. So fall pa lang sila dinidisplay sa store para itanim. Yan. So nilinis ko na muna yung lupa. Tinanggal ko yung mga dating nakatanim na hindi na namulaklak. So yan, try natin to kung by springtime tutubo na siya. So ito first time namin itatanim ngayon ang tulips. Yan, tulips. So ito siya. Meron siyang 6 pieces na bulbs sa packaging niya. And then dito na rin yung instruction. Dapat 6 inches deep ang pagkakatanim sa kanya. And then tinatanim pala siya during October hanggang December before mag-first frost.
Then dig it up. Dig. You have to dig. Oh, it's covered now. Whoa, that's a large chunk. You have to scrumble these large chunks, or else the plant can't get through. Or maybe that's what I just said. Cover it up until the top. Don't use the other one. There. Do this in all sides. This one's large. It might disturb it, but no worries. And when you finish doing this, you have to water it. But we did not. Sorry.
Oh, later. No, we're not yet finished.
But we're not yet finished. Scramble this up. Use all your strength. Like the hawk. Use these dots. Go shopping online to get what you need. Tap, tap.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Tappy, 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 tappy. I think this will do.
We still have 3 bulbs to do.
Go! Go, go, wasting time! Mama versus me.
Go, go, go.
Now putting these.
Ay, wait. We forgot to put marker.
Oh my god!
Yeah, you put marker on the every bulbs that you put.
I think. Put it in.
Here. See?
You have a hammer or whatever, put it in. Use that. What? Ah! Mama, can I borrow yours? Mama! Mama!
Wait.
Hey! Please! My bulb is waiting. Mama! Diva! Now, Mama.
Oh, the third one. Third one. Hey,
Oh, yeah.
you forgot.
My bulb is sad. Mama, hey!
Go. Go.
Bulb is saying, go! My bulb comes. Oh, yeah, sorry. Put that here, smash it in. Now, if you have a stick or whatever thing that you can find, yeah, go get that and put it here like
As marker.
as marker. Bang, bang. Use this as a banger. Or if you have a hammer, use that. But be careful. There. Ouch! Ouch!
So we'll just.
Hey, Mama! Mama!
We're done.
Yeah, first I have to bang this. Bang, bang. Mama. I think. Yeah, it's the opposite side.
You know what
Bang,
you're
bang,
going
bang,
to do?
bang, 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 bang.
Dig first before you put it. I'm so lazy. Come on, like this. You have to go
Up, up.
Okay, go. Wait. I'll do it.
No,
And then
no! I'm in the dust.
Go. And then.
Bang, bang. Bang!
Bang. That's it.
That's
We're
it.
done.
Now let's go. Sorry. No, I'm
Watch.
not too much, or else they'll drown and you won't get a tulip in spring. Then if you have some water left over, go get your water. This thing is what we use in the Philippines.
What do you call that?
It's a tabo. You could
Okay.
use that for taking a bath, unless if you're Filipino. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.